Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a right sidebar to your WordPress 2025 theme in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to improve navigation or add extra functionality to your site, this guide will have you covered. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this using your username or directly with your Google account for a quick sign in. Once you're in, head over to the quick link section and click Edit Site to open the site editor. This is where all the magic happens. In the site editor, you'll see a toolbar full of options to customize your pages. Look for the plus icon in the top left corner and click it. In the search bar, type sidebar and select the sidebar element from the suggestions. Once added, you can drag it to the right-hand side of your page layout so it fits perfectly with your design. Take a moment to review how it looks. If everything feels right, don't forget to hit save in the top right corner to secure your changes. And that's it. Your website now has a fully functional right sidebar, giving your visitors a better navigation experience while keeping your layout clean and organized. Adding a sidebar is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your WordPress site. And with this easy step-by-step approach, you can do it in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy editing.